This 2021 Cadet truck body's Grassmaster 961683414 dual WHL chassis is a flatbed body. It is located in Mount Vernon, Illinois 62864 and is offered for sale by Country Blacksmith Trailers. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Cadet truck bodies is 14 feet 0 inches in length. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Country Blacksmith Trailers.